I tried learning Spanish by just listening. Here's what happened. No studying. I stopped reading Spanish books for 30 days, and I started understanding conversations. Yeah, I know how crazy that sounds. No grammar drills, no flashcards, just listening. And somehow, my brain started to get it. I've been trying to learn Spanish for years. I tried Duolingo. I bought the books. I watched telenovelas with subtitles. But nothing stuck. I could read a few words, sure. But when real people spoke, it was like my brain froze. I realized I wasn't training my brain to understand Spanish by ear. I was training it to memorize rules. That's when I decided to do something different. So, I found this audio course called Spanish for Newbies. It promised something totally opposite of school-style learning. No studying, no reading, just listening. At first, I thought, there's no way this works. But I made myself a deal, 30 days, just listening. Every day, while driving, cooking, or walking the dog. No notes, no translations, just let my brain absorb. The first week, my brain fought back. I didn't understand much. But then, around week 2, something clicked. I started catching words, then phrases, then full sentences. And I wasn't even trying. I'll never forget. I was at a cafe, and 2 people behind me were chatting in Spanish. And for the first time in my life, I understood what they were saying. I literally froze. It felt like magic, like my brain had been unlocked. And all I did was listen. So yeah, the no studying thing, it's real. The science behind it is simple. Your brain learns language the same way kids do, by listening first. And that's exactly what Spanish for Newbies is built for. Over 400 immersive audio lessons, travel phrases, and binaural audio that makes it feel like you're inside a Spanish conversation. If you've been struggling with Spanish, and you're tired of studying but not understanding, try what I did. Go to SpanishForNewbies.com, put your headphones on, and let your brain do what it was designed to do. Learn by listening. You'll be shocked how much Spanish you start to understand, without ever opening a textbook. Don't study to learn Spanish. You just need to listen. SpanishForNewbies.com, the way the world finds its voice in Spanish.